Quick tips! I haven't had any Model M keyboards for a while lately, and I've been missing that rigid, tactile feel it gave. I've been stuck on a Logitech K120 for several months, which is crap. Shockingly, I've been on a shortage of USB keyboards, so I figure if I'm gonna get more, they should come from Unicomp. But if you order one these days, you might be surprised to find some things seem a bit off. The Windows logo and command keys are using the ugly graphics from the Windows 8 era, which looks completely out of place here. What do you do now? Well, thankfully there's an easy solution. For the cost of a level 1 customization fee, you can specify that you want to include a Windows 95 key set with your order. These keys will not come pre-installed into the keyboard, but you can replace the default keys with these more desirable ones which come in a bag stored under the keyboard. In addition to the 3 Windows 95 keys, you get an extra key with a random label with red text for when you're feeling extra sassy. Unfortunately, you still get blue status LEDs here. Changing them to something like green might be doable in a level 2 custom order together with the keys, but at least LEDs are ubiquitous, so I could also go in these and replace the lights myself. Fucking... Where's the key? Bye!